find the derivative of this inverse trigonometry and quadratic. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, you give this quadratic a variable. So I can say u equals 3x squared minus 1, right? So I'll now say y will now be tan inverse of u. Okay, so definitely we have two functions. So what do we have to do? We have to apply chain rules and find their derivative. So and I'll say du dx. That is, I want to find the derivative for this is going to be 6x. Then for tan dy du will now be 1 over 1 plus u squared. So this is the inverse. This is the derivative of tan inverse. So applying chain rule, and I'll say chain rule will now be dy, the x will now be equals to 6x multiplied by 1 over 1 plus u squared. So, and this will give us 6x over 1 plus, what is u? Remember that u is this quadratic, but we have squared here. So you now have 3x squared minus 1 squared. So that is it. Then you can expand this if you want, but this is your answer. This is how to find the derivative. However, you can still expand it.